Here I have Samsung Galaxy A05S, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So firstly, you should hold down power key in order to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see Samsung logo appear, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the second option, reboot to bootloader, and after that you will end up in this boot mode. So that's how it looks like. When you're done using this boot mode, to quit it, what you will have to do is to volume down key plus side key for more than 7 seconds. Cancel, restart phone. So let's try it out. And we just hold it and hold it and hold it some more. And after that, device restarts just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.